trade with regulated forex brokers. It is important that you trade with regulated forex brokers. Check every forex brokers out and see if they are regulated in your area before you go on to open an account with them, and try your strategy on their demo account. It is important that you try your strategy on their demo account, either paid indicator or free indicator, paid strategy or free forex strategy, paid forex signal or free forex signal. This particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and see if they are registered and regulated in your area. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. This strategy can be used on any forex pairs like Euro USD, Great Britain Pounds USD, Great Britain Pounds Japanese Yen, Euro Australia Dollar, New Zealand US Dollar, and the likes. You can use this to trade the metal like gold, silver, platinum, and the rest. This can be used to trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and crypto pairs like BTC USD, ETH USD, and the likes. This particular strategy can be used to trade indices like US 100 or Nasdaq, US 30, US 500, and you can use this to trade stocks like Amazon stock, Google stock, Facebook stocks, Tesla stocks, as many stocks as you have on your MT4, and you can trade crude oil with this particular strategy. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy on regulated forex brokers. As I said, make sure you try all your strategy on regulated demo account first before you deposit any money. Make sure you are convenient and you are making money consistently with your strategy before you go on to open a live account. And let me advise you, do not add any money in your demo account that you cannot afford to deposit in your real account. Do not deceive yourself. If you want to deposit orange dollar in your real account, make sure you start with orange dollar demo account. With this, you'll be able to master your strategy. Now let's go on to today's strategy. I have few indicators on my chart here, and I'm going to show you all the settings for all the indicators, and I include my template so that you can use it. Here I have this indicator that changed from blue to yellow. You can change the color to anything. So when it changed to yellow, it is a sell signal as we have it here. When we have all the line turned to blue, is a buy signal as we have it here. Then I have this boss start indicator. Red is for sell, and the lime color is for buy. And the last indicator I have here is a MACD. Below the zero level is sell signal, and above it is a buy signal. So this is how I use this particular strategy. I only have few indicators for this forex trading strategy for MetaTrader 4 and trading on regulated forex brokers. Before you take any trade, make sure you check a Forex Factory to see if there's any news concerning any pairs that you want to trade, or other news, other forex news aggregator, to see if there's any news that may likely affect your technical analysis. It is important that you check forex news aggregator and trade on regulated forex brokers. Now let's move on. How do I combine all these indicators together to give me a profitable setup or signal? Number one thing I look out for is this yellow indicator that turns from yellow to blue or blue to yellow. Once it turns to a yellow at this particular point, this is a sell signal. And the first thing I'm going to check MACD. Is MACD below zero level? If it is below zero level, this is a confirmation, and this is additional confirmation for this particular strategy. And here I have a star, red star also for a sell. So this is a valid signal. This is a valid signal. And here is another signal here that was generated. We have a buy signal here. This did turn to the upside. This is above zero level on MACD, and we have this lime color star for a buy. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Here it turns to yellow, and we have this red star, and this was below zero level. This is a good sell signal also. And this that turned to blue here for a buy. This is not valid. MACD is below zero level for a buy. So this yellow, the previous signal generated remain valid. And this is how you trade on regulated forex brokers with this particular forex strategy. Your stop loss for a sell will just be few pips above the previous high while you ride your trend, and for a buy too, the stop loss will be previous low before the signal was generated, few pips below the previous low for a buy signal, and few pips above the previous high for a sell signal. So this is how to use this indicator, and it can be used on any time frame you want to trade. You can use it on any time frame. So let's check this out on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and here is it on 4 hours. Let's check it on 5 minutes. Here is it on 5 minute time frame. You can use it to trade any pairs you want to trade. This is New Zealand USD. Let's check it out on good, and here is it on good on 5 minute time frame. It is still a good setup for good. And here is it on 15 minute time frame and on 1 hour time frame. Here is it on Euro Australia dollar on 15 minutes. It's a good setup. It's a good strategy that anyone can use. Just make sure you are trading on a regulated forex brokers. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use it on the right platform. Strictly meant for MT4. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. The first indicator you have on the chart here that turns from blue to yellow is average rainbow indicator, and let me show you the setting. So these are the values for this particular indicator. Just make sure you pause it and set it up, or you use my template. And the second indicator here is this is a Kinashi indicator. This is just a candle. White is for buy and red is a sell candle. Then we have a non-repainting indicator that give us this star and this lime color. So these are the inputs, and you can set the color here, but these are the inputs. Then I have jumbo changer just to watch the pairs that I'm interested in. I do not trade or watch all the pairs. I have few pairs, few forex pairs, so you can do the same thing. It is not compulsory you trade all the pairs. You only need one good pairs per day to make money, and make sure you master it. So this is just the setting. And the last indicator I have here is MACD indicator. These are the colors. I do not use any level beside the zero level, and these are the parameter. The first EMA is 9, and the slow EMA is 26, and the MACD SMA is 6. Apply to close. So this is all the indicators I use for this MT4 forex winning trading strategy on MetaTrader 4 and trading on regulated forex broker. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. The download links to all the indicators I used for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. The only thing I need from you is a thumb up. Make sure you follow money management as you trade. If you want to last in this business, use stop loss. Follow money management. Do not say this strategy is accurate and you want to enter with higher lots. Do not do that. Follow money management. It is better that you grow your account gradually. Please treat this as a business. This is not a gambling game. Treat forex trading as a business and trade on regulated forex brokers. Treat this as a business. Do not gamble with your money. Treat it as a business. It's important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. I'm going to say it again. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. Check them out if they are regulated and registered in your area before you deposit any real money or before you even open a demo account with them. Do not waste your time and your energy. Make sure you get familiar with any brokers you want to trade with. Any forex broker, make sure you are familiar with them. Trade on regulated forex brokers. I say it again, trade on regulated forex brokers. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.